up, guys? It's Ryan here. Did you like the Try Not to Laugh challenge? It was good. I liked it too, but what was that? Wait. 1 minute, guys. I'm gonna be back right now. No idea what that noise is, but if we hear it again, tell me what you think it is in the comments. There it is again. Right, that is weird. But as you can see, I'm not near my wall at all. I'm like over here. My wall is like way over there, so I couldn't make that noise. But I don't know. I'm in the middle of my room right now, so I don't know. That noise was right there. That is scary. But anyway, we're going. Tell me what you like. I could do another Try Not to Laugh challenge. I could do like some Call of Duty. Could do Minecraft for all you Minecraft lovers. I could do other stuff, you know, the good stuff. But my webcam went off, so I need to record like this. And now you kind of see my face fuzzy because of stuff, yeah. But anyway, tell me what you want down in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Bye.